Lang Sung is in the northeast of Vietnam and is one of the last places of this spectacular country that I have yet to visit. Near the Chinese border with plenty of rolling hills. On the local scene, it is famous for enduro riding, and I guess the truth is that I've never visited because I've never been good enough to try it. I did it! I wanted to join the real riders of Vietnam, the Dirt Town team. I was expecting a challenge, but nothing could have prepared me for what was to come.
So 2:30, looking at the map, we're not going to make it. We're going to be walking out of here, leaving the bikes away. It's just so slippery.
The day started like any normal day in Vietnam, with outrageous noise pollution.
So I'm sitting here waiting for the guys, and every time a group of Vietnamese tourists walks out the hotel, this shop here blasts out this nonsense. I will not buy from you for this racket.
It wasn't long before Hui, our totally insane tour guide, had us on some hard trails in the pine forest.
I'm gonna need some help.
Can you do it, or you need help?
I don't know, I don't have the energy anymore, man. I'm out of shape.
Okay, I will try and help, some help. Okay, you got it. But I'll try and get past you for now. Come on! What is this madness?
This was around 10 a.m. and due to language barriers, no one in the group realized that this was just the beginning of a trail that had absolutely no exit points.
So try again. And just go down and launch it. Oh, man. Wild!
We exited the trees as lunchtime was approaching, but before lunch was some downhill. And I have to say, I have improved on these since Romania a year ago.
Actually, not so bad. Getting a lot better at hills. Might not look it, but I am.
To give you another angle of just how steep this is, have a look at this.
Don't get the shoes dirty, bro. You actually gotta ride your bike, Caleb. Pin it. You just gotta pin it, brother.
There was only one man here who truly knew how behind schedule the group was. And as can be seen here, he is relaxed as can be. With all my mapping experience though, I had a good inclination that something was wrong. And as someone who has been in these situations before, I started to conserve both energy and water very seriously. We pushed on through the clouds, and whilst I would never leave a man behind, I certainly won't waste my energy stopping for routine crashes.
It's got to that point where it's just like, if someone pulls, you just leave them. So we're running out of time. I'm wondering if we should just abandon the bike and walk. We're going so slow.
I already had done my best to interrogate Hui, the guide, for options, but there were none. We had to continue.
I'm just wondering
Really out of shape, man.
if realistically we shouldn't just...
I know. We gotta find a place to turn off.
No, he said you cannot, but to hide the bike and to walk. And then come back, get someone to pick it up tomorrow.
Well,
I need to get a realistic gauge
yeah.
of how far it really is.
He's just, oh, it's just here.
I think I'll have a chat with him later. But
Yeah.
I think we might be in a position where it'd be faster to walk.
Yeah. Well,
And also, you don't want to completely run out of energy.
right.
You need to still be able
I've
to
got
walk.
energy, but the thing is, I'm thinking, if I have to do this more of this shit like this.
He said it's the same. Okay, I'll have a chat with him.
I get mixed emotions on trails like this. When there are options, I tend to feel claustrophobic, decisions to make, choices, ideas, possibilities. But when you are pushed into a corner with only one option, I actually feel relief and space again. This is what it is. This is how it will be. Now let's make it happen.
Definitely crazy.
But there's like, he's taking like a lot of older Vietnamese, and once in a while he's got like a Vietnamese group stuck in the forest like at 7 o'clock at night.
Kevin thought it was funny, but I knew it was about to be us.
Where to go? Down, up. We got one guy with no back brake, one guy with no front brake, going down a very steep hill. It's a rental bike, yeah? Yeah. Just throw it down. Don't be gentle, it's a rental. Ooh, my turn. Well, I am getting better at these. This is wild. For real. You stuck?
No, I can't.
Okay, you hurt?
I'm okay, but it's very uncomfortable.
Okay, I'll just quickly try and park up my bike.
Yeah, okay, I can wait a minute or so.
Okay.
Just grab this. The front brake. Just pull it up.
Yeah, then.
Okay, I'll help you. Ready?
Not really. I got nowhere to stand, if I'm honest. I don't want to pick it up and then drop it.
I see. Well, I'll give you a hand. I'll on the other side.
Okay, I kind of got a footing.
Okay, ready? Steady. Go. There we go. Hold the front brake. All right.
Using everything from the ART tire guy, but I know. Get that weight on the back.
Hold on. Let's
Reset.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah, it's okay. No rush.
It's crazy. Yeah.
I was not expecting this. It's been amazing, especially if we make it through. It's one of those ones where it all comes down to the final few hours. If you don't make it, it's a terrible day. If you do make it, it was one of the best days of your life. We're at that wire point.
It very quickly became a rush against daylight. Some team members had already run out of water hours ago. Energy levels were low, but adrenaline was high. This was the time for all hands on deck.
Need the rear right up. Yeah, good. It's fucking hard as fuck.
That's all? Just hard?
I get 2 people to help and 1 person ride. Oh, boy, hi, fire! 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 Oh, I wasn't there, bro. Oh, my bag. Oh, could you give me? Yeah, cheaper. 20-second break.
It's getting dire, boys.
Yeah, boys. Huh? If you're gonna die sad, might as well die happy, boys.
Yeah, can you
If we're gonna go down, we might die, but let's go a bit happy.
Muay Thai ba! Muay Thai ba! Muay Thai ba! Ba! Muay Thai ba! Fuck! Nghỉ. Người đây. 10 seconds. Nghỉ.
Okay, we made it, come on!
Muay.
I need to go get my helmet. Oh my God.
As dark truly hit us, we announced that this cliff required tying ropes to the back of the bikes to stop them falling off. But it really was the last obstacle to get out of this jungle.
Kev, you're on the rope. Jan, we don't need more people down there. Come here, we start pulling your bike.
We have another rope.
Yeah, we got another rope.
Yeah, I'm letting go of this rope.
Okay, how many people?
We finish this one.
Two people hold on to that.
Where's the Danone?
It's up there, at the top. I can go next if you want.
Yeah, I'm so looking forward to the beers.
Yeah, bro. I've been thinking about the beers for like 3 hours now.
Okay, I'm ready.
What? I am. I'm just so good at it. Oh, my arm!
Okay, give him some slack.
You gotta go?
Ah, yeah, okay. Ma, I'll take off. Ah! Right, Ben.
All bikes down the cliff safely. We are told there is just 15 minutes of driving between us and freedom. But that 15 minutes quickly changes as one member falls off another cliff.
Not very often you film stuff as dumb as this.
Who's got the rope?
There's a rope in my... It's in my bag. Do you want to get it? Oh, you've got one now. Alright, boys. Three.
As I said earlier, if you make it, it will be one of the best days of your life. It all comes down to those final few hours.
Okay, so we're back where we were at day one.
Let's go!
Let's go. Let's see if we can improve. Same as last time, mate. Ouch.
Thanks for watching.